Big breaking news today. Two cars collided at Khatkhati, one vehicle coming from Dimapur and another vehicle coming from Bokajan side. 20 years old Arun Kumar heavily injured and taken to hospital immediately. Jeep bearing registration number NL07CA2229 coming from Bokajan and Maruti Suzuki bearing registration number AS16A5021 came from Dimapur side and suddenly both the vehicle hit each other around 12:45 p.m. But the driver present on Maruti Suzuki named Arun Kumar was bleeding and injured, so public took him to the nearest hospital immediately. Future investigation is going on by Khatkhati police. So audience, drive vehicle in speed limit so that you and your family will be safe and you get a chance to drive again. Siddharth Gimre, report from Khatkhati, Karbi Anglong Times.